let us understand how to send one project from Procore into MRI. This integration here, send project, helps us bring one project at a time from the Procore system into the MRI system. So here in Procore, I have my project that has a project name, a job number, a start date, and a completion date that's all set up in Procore. And if I quickly take you to the home page on that job, you don't see a green banner. That's the ERP flag, which is an indication that this project is integrated between both the systems. So that ERP flag is missing. So quickly, I'll take you to MRI. And there, if you see, when I look for this job number 125810, there's no data that pops up because this job does not exist in MRI. Now let's go to the demo page, give this job number, and click on send. So what this integration will do is it'll bring that one particular job from Procore into MRI. So there we have a blue bubble and a green bubble, which is a positive sign. Let's go to details. And here it says it has created a job with an ID 1258110. And these are the cost list that it has popped up with, the start date, and the completion. So here we notice there is a link that takes us directly to Procore to access the job in Procore. So let's go to MRI and now search for this job, and there it pops up. And if we try to compare this data between MRI and Procore, so we have the project name, that's test job 3. That's the project description here in MRI. The job code is 1258110. That's the job number here. The start date is 10/10/2018. That's the start date in Procore as well. And the completion date is 10/31/2018. And interestingly, if you go back to the home page on this project, you can see there's an ERP flag, which is a sign that this project has been integrated between both systems. So this is how you bring a project at a time from Procore into MRI. Thank you.